Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial on how to insert code in Chatgpt. Are you ready to dive in and learn something new? Well, stay tuned because by the end of this tutorial, you will know how to insert code in Chatgpt like a pro. Step 1. Open Chatgpt. The first step is to open Chatgpt on your preferred device. You can access Chatgpt through your web browser or by downloading the mobile app. Step 2. Type the code. Once you've opened Chatgpt, type code in the message box to activate the code block. Step 3. Insert your code. After you've activated the code block, you can insert your code directly into the message box. Chatgpt supports a variety of programming languages, including Python, Java, C++, and more. Step 4. Format your code. To make your code easier to read and understand, you can format it using Chatgpt. Code formatting tools. These tools allow you to add syntax highlighting, indentation, and other formatting options to your code. Step 5. Share your code. Once you've finished inserting and formatting your code, you can share it with others by hitting the Send button. Your code will be displayed in the chat window along with any formatting options you've applied before. Example. Let's say you want to share a Python code snippet that prints hello world to the console. Here's how you would do that. Step 1. Open Chatgpt. Step 2. Type the code. Step 3. Insert your code. And Step 4. Format your code. You can format your code by adding syntax highlighting to make it easier to read. And Step 5. Share your code. Hit the send button to share your code with others. And that's it. Now you have learned how to insert code in Chatgpt. Thank you for watching this tutorial and I hope you found it helpful. See you soon.